Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're ready to start. First, open WhatsApp and verify the account phone number and the cloud account you'll use. This prevents mismatched backups. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and plug the phone into power so the process won't pause. Make sure your Google Drive or iCloud has free space, otherwise the backup will fail. Now, go to Chat's right arrow Chat Backup and tap Backup to initiate a manual run. Listen for success confirmation before proceeding. If backup stalls, check permissions next. Give WhatsApp storage and account access and exempt it from battery optimization so Android or iOS won't kill the job. Once permissions are correct, disable VPNs or proxy services. They often interrupt cloud uploads. Also, make sure both WhatsApp and your phone system are up to date. Outdated software can cause compatibility errors. After you apply these fixes, return to Chat Backup and run another manual backup. Watch the progress indicator until it finishes. To finish, confirm the backup completed by checking the timestamp and file size in WhatsApp backup settings. This proves data reached the cloud. Once confirmed, you can test restore on a spare device or after reinstalling to ensure everything is intact. If backups still fail, the single most effective troubleshooting step is to clear the app cache and retry. This removes corrupt temporary files. If that doesn't help, uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp, then restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.